My name is Russell Kennedy. I'm an academic in screen and design here at Deakin University. The World Design Organisation and the ISS, they invited me to a workshop. One of the briefs we were given was to look at an orbital university, to actually extend that into a research project with the DML. And the idea is to create a hypothetical or a prototype for how a orbital university might work, a project where we'll be using Unreal Engine and virtual production to actually simulate what a classroom might look like. Part of the research is to actually simulate microgravity from Earth so that students or researchers can get some sort of sensation of what the astronauts who they're talking to are experiencing. The role of the DML in this project is, first of all, to experiment with the telepresence connectivity. The other part is to actually create a prototype of what that classroom looked like and how it would work. Considerations of how many people fit in the room, how the lecturer or the researcher engages with the students and also the astronauts, and also the avatars which are actually teleported up to the space station. So there's a number of aspects which combine animation, virtual production, augmented reality, virtual reality, all of those components, which is what the DML specialises in, coming together to create this prototype.
My name is Dr. Sion Mitchell. I am a lecturer in film, television and animation here at Deakin University. The screen really provides a vehicle for bringing students of different disciplines together. So it requires students from our animation program, our film and television program to kind of work together in a bit more of a concrete, synergistic way. And so we get our students to come in and actually get their hands on the gear, get their hands on the cameras, how it kind of sets up with the screen, to get them to experiment and play around and problem solve and kind of build up all those really important skills around being creative. We actually take this idea of the screen out to the community. We co-create a lot of work. It might be to do with migrant communities, people's memories of coming over to Australia, or we go out and do workshops and festivals and things like that within community and create some just really beautiful and exciting work.
My name is Dr. Donna McRae. I'm a senior lecturer here at Deakin University and I teach in film, TV and animation. Virtual production is like this amazing tool, but it is a tool in the portfolio of what you can use with filmmaking techniques. Everyone needs to try it at least once to see how far they can actually go. Well, the world opens up to you because suddenly you're not worried about weather or a truck running past when you're shooting something outside. You can change things straight away, you can turn things other colour, you can build a wall in like a minute. It gives you the freedom to actually create what you have in your mind when you're writing the screenplay and what you see, instead of putting the screenplay into the location, you can put the location back into the screenplay.
The Deakin Motion Lab consists of an experienced interdisciplinary team of researchers with expertise in game design, filmmaking, 3D animation, motion capture, virtual and augmented reality, and virtual production. Because of its industry-facing research, Deakin University plays a vital role in finding creative solutions to industry problems through its extensive research and development efforts, fostering of cross-disciplinary collaboration and the education of future problem solvers.